Mix, mix the bowl, stir it round and make it whole. Pour it gently in the pan. Let's make pancakes, yes we can! Round and fluffy, soft and sweet, pancake dancing to the beat. Shake the pan and count with me. 1, 2, 3, flip, flip! Flip it up, flip it high, pancake dancing in the sky. Catch it, what a treat! Yummy, yummy, what a feast! Add some berries one by one, red and blue, this looks like fun. A little honey, drip, drip, drip. Now it's ready, take a bite. Here is a piece for you. Friends come running, can we share? Of course, says Bunny, there's enough to spare. Everyone gets a tasty piece. Happy smiles and giggles increase. Let's all eat. Flip it up, flip it high, pancake dancing in the sky. Share a bite with every friend. Happy fun from start to end.